All work, no play. PPF going on. Yeah. Keep that one on ice. Bella, battery. Just got something done to her. Whew. This one, finna start going crazy with this one. All over. Waiting on the winter to come get this, man. They said they got a snow blizzard. Better come get it. Rush hour. Poster job, man. Stop playing. Working. Headline. Seats. Working. Working. Ready to go and paint. Just waiting on the paint to come. Wet that big motherfucker. This one done. Done. Painted, bumper fixed, door fixed, new fender on that one, painted the door, just a whole bunch of shit. Done. Gonna get ready to spray this. Y'all remember what this looked like. I know y'all remember this. Tack wheels everywhere, all type of shit going on, man. Cut a roof out of another car and left the metal on the glass and welded it to this roof. That's what happened. They didn't cut the glass out, they cut the whole fucking glass and like 4 inches. So we fixed it. Detail, man. Stay tuned. Good work.